Whether it's too high or too low, we know one size doesn't fit all. Introducing the Waterpik Magnetic Assist DualDock Shower Head. Customize your height and easily mount your shower head in place with the Magnetic Assist. The security lip allows you to adjust the spray angle wherever you need and enjoy 8 distinct sprays, including Power Pulse Massage. Clinically shown to help soothe muscle tension, increase flexibility, and promote restful sleep. No matter how you like to shower. At Waterpik, we make lives better by turning water into wellness.